Hello children, how are you all doing? Stay home, stay safe. Okay, in the previous session, we have discussed about what is adjacent corner, what is opposite corner, what is a diagonal, and what is a tangram. Is it not? Hope you all understood. So in today's session, we are going to see about the views of an object. Okay, the first is the top view of an object. What is top view? So the look of an object from the top, if we look on the object from the top, it is said to be the top view. See, here is a diagram which shows the top view of a school bus. So the view or the look on the object from the top is said to be the top view. Can you all understand? The view of an object from the top is called the top view of an object. See, look at the diagram which shows the top view of the school bus. Okay. Next is front view. What is front view? A view from the front of the object. So if we look at the object from the front, the front posture, is it not? That is called the front view of the object. So the diagram shows the front view of the school bus. Okay, what is top view and front view? Can you all understand? Can you differentiate? If we look on the object from the top, it is the top view. If we look on the object from the front of the object, it is the front view of the object. Next, the side view. A view from the side of an object, the side posture. That is called the side view. The look on the object from the side is called the side view of an object. Okay. The view, there are three: top view, front view, and the side view. See, the diagram shows the side view of a school bus. Okay, now what is face? What is face of any solid shape? The flat surface of any solid shape is called the face of the object. Okay, the flat surface of any solid shape is called the face of an object. So the object should rest on any flat surface. If there is a flat surface on any shape, that is called the face of the object. Okay, the flat surface of any solid shape is called the face of an object. What is an edge? So the line where two faces meet is called the edge. See, look at the diagram here. This is a cube and this is a cylinder. So there, see here, these two faces they meet, which is called the edge. Okay, can you all understand? See, the line where the two faces meet is called the edge. An edge may be straight or curved. So the edge, it can be a sharp or it can be a curved edge also. Here this is a curved edge. The line where the two faces meet is called the edge. See, here they have shown the edge of a cube and a cylinder. So this is straight and this is a curved edge. So what is the edge? The line where two faces meet. So where the two faces meet. See, this is one flat surface and this side is one flat surface. They meet to form a edge. And what is corner? The point where the edges meet is called the corner. So which is the corner? So this edge and here this edge, they meet at a point which is a corner. The point where the edges meet are called the corners. What is the edge? The line where the faces meet. So this is one face and when we turn, that's it. Here is one face. Those faces meet is called the edges. This is a straight edge and this is a curved edge. What is a corner? The point where the edges meet is called the corner. Next we are going to see about tessellation. What is tessellation? So the shapes that fit together without leaving gaps in between or overlapping form is called a tessellation. See, look at the diagrams, various tessellations here. So these shapes, they fit together without any space. See, look at this diagram. There are similar shapes which fit together and there is no gap in between these shapes. Is it not? Such shapes are called as tessellation. Okay, the shapes which fit together without any space in between, they are called as tessellation. See here, many hexagons which are joined together without any gaps in between. Is it not? These are called as tessellation. Okay, today we have discussed about what is the top view, what is the front view, and what is the side view of an object. Next, we discussed about what is the face. Is it the flat surface of any solid shape is called the face of the object. And what is edge? The line where the two faces meet, they are called the edge. And see here, this is a straight edge and this is a curved edge. And what is a corner? The point where the edges meet are called the corners. The point where the edges meet is called the corner. And we have seen what is tessellation. The shapes which fit together without leaving gaps in between is called the tessellation. Okay. Hope you all understand. Go through the video again and again. If any doubts, you can message me on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.